GoodData provides consistent metrics to all downstream use cases, including our own UI, competitive BI tools like Power BI and AI/ML, and AppDV use cases via our Python SDK and React libraries. Thus, metrics are defined once and can be used simultaneously in all these places to ensure we serve as an accurate and performant system of measure. To demonstrate this, we can see a metric in GoodData, revenue, in our logical data layer, and have built a simple bar chart utilizing it. Now let's see 3 examples of applications where this chart or metric can be served up. First, we can build a high chart integration based on revenue as shown here. Next, we can use the GoodData Python SDK to edit the metric definition, if desired. And for the last example, we can leverage the same revenue metric within another BI front end, in this case, Power BI. We can ensure high performance in these use cases due to our in-memory cache based on Apache Arrow, which allows effectively unlimited in-memory cache, resulting in minimized query response times.